Oh shit, that was the video. Oh, how's it going, guys? Adam here, and today we got a YTP on our boy Alex Jones. The conspiracy theories where he believes all frogs are gay, or supposedly. Yeah, this is YTP. Alex Jones is a bird god by Yummy Muffins. And you can tell in the thumbnail, looks like he's sniffing his own fart. I mean, I do it all the time too. I can't believe it, man. Further ado, guys, let's dive into this Alex Jones YTP and see what kind of insanity theory he has for us now. Let's go.
I suck feces. It's painful to even talk about. It's a form of self-destructiveness. Well, I'm gonna be evil. And believe me, I was. So I just don't get the psychology. Wow, people are
me in that show, man. I stutter so much.
People are pissed at me because I'm so good looking. People are pissed at me because I'm a Calvin Klein model. People are pissed at me because I'm so smart. People are pissed at me because I'm super sexy.
One more time.
People are pissed at me because I'm a bird. I can fly in the sky. Brr.
People are pissed at you because you called frogs gay, man.
Because it comes from Africa.
What?
Learn. We've got a huge hole in the sky. No.
What?
Pedophilia is very, 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 very sexy. Little girls are sexy. Gotta get them while they're young.
Well, we are in pedophile freaking season with Carlson and
sexy.
I don't know, man.
Are super sexy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
This guy's
so
a troll,
sexy.
man.
And
Surely.
Comes fart.
Oh shit, that was the video. Oh my god.
Oh my lord. I'm so depressed.
Who isn't, man? Who is not depressed? It's sad N-word hours. I can't say that. Sad boy hours.
Imagine. It's bad, man.
Whoa.
You understand? I'm a god.
Here you go. What's going on here? Let this image haunt. Oh, Jesus Christ.
I'm a bird. I can fly in the sky.
Okay, then. Now I'm going to have to sleep. Alright, guys, that's my reaction to YTP. Alex Jones is a bird man by Yummy Muffins. Final verdict, I will go with a 6 out of 10 on this YTP. Yeah, make sure to leave a video in the description down below if you want to check that out. Yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. It means so much right here. So, around here somewhere. It means a lot. Alright, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.